Microsoft 365 is one of most important technology in IT and non-IT industry, because you know that each and every organization want to create email services for their employee associated with their own domain name. Microsoft 365 is a most popular and competition-less portal that help us to set up our email services. Apart from the email services, we can also find n number of tools and softwares. Those tools and software can help us to enhance our productivity. Let's take an example. Microsoft 365 portal can give us access of Microsoft Teams, SharePoint, OneDrive, number of applications that we are using on daily basis like Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So that's why Teach Me Cloud, as you know, that always try to give you quality based content as per the market requirement. I'm Manjeet Rawat, your online instructor, and I'm going to introduce a new playlist for Microsoft 365 MS-102 certification based training based on 2026 content. Though I have already uploaded a dedicated playlist for Microsoft 365, but the playlist that I uploaded was related to the portal of 2023. And from 2023 to 2026, lots of changes. You will find lots of services added by Microsoft over a portal. And so that's why it's your responsibility, it's our responsibility. We should learn each and every services of 365 by using latest portal, right? So this is introduction video. Let me tell you about the content or the topics that we are going to cover in this entire playlist, because if you really want to grow in your IT career, right? So definitely you need to adopt latest technology as per the requirement, right? Microsoft 365, you know that there are no competitor for Microsoft 365 who give us a platform to establish our mailing services and another resources which are available on 365. That's why every 90% organization, yes, 90% plus organization are established their mailing services and using Microsoft 365 services for their productivity. That's why it's really important. So now I'm sharing my screen that I can show you the blueprint of our content, because I'll try to give you my level best. We'll follow the content of MS-102. So you just need to type Microsoft MS-102, right? So MS-102, you can say that this is the certification code. And if you are going to prepare yourself for the certification, you are preparing yourself for the interview. So definitely this playlist will help you. And what are the prerequisites? Yes, definitely. If you guys are aware about the basic of Active Directory, I'm talking about the ADDS that you can install on Windows Server operating system, basic of networking, some part of DNS, and basic of CMD and PowerShell. Because 365, you can connect your Microsoft 365 Exchange Admin Center with your on-premises Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows Server operating system with the help of PowerShell. Execute the command on on-premises PowerShell, and it will be applicable for, it will change the activity over a portal. Means you can handle the portal services using PowerShell, which is built-in service of each and every Windows operating system. So these all are the prerequisites. You can say that networking, Active Directory domain services, DNS, and PowerShell. These all are the prerequisites. If you have a basic understanding about these points, then definitely you can easily become expert as a Microsoft 365. And now if we talk about the certification cost in India, so again it may be 4,800 INR. This is the voucher price, guys. So most of the Microsoft 365 certification cost is 4,865 without GST. With GST you have to pay 5,600 something, right? And now it's time to understand about the content or modules that we are going to discuss in this particular playlist. So deploy and manage Microsoft 365 tenant, right? It will help you 10 to 15%, means you should aware about the work of tenant, how we can add custom domain, how we can manage the tenant, what is use of tenant. So these all tasks we are going to discuss about in module 1. Second module is implement and manage Microsoft Intra Identity and Access. 25 to 30% of questions you will get in case of final global certification examination. Manage security and threats by using Microsoft Defender. XDR. This is really important for everyone. You should know about how to protect the infrastructure of email services. 35 to 40% contents, 35 to 40% questions will appear in case of global level of certification. Manage compliance by using Microsoft Purview. Microsoft Purview is a type of portal that helps us to establish restore, backup, litigation hold the deleted emails by user. You can get the access from Purview option. So this is our agenda, right? So total 4 different modules we are going to cover in this particular playlist. And if we talk about the core contents that required to learn in case of module 1, MS-102, configure your Microsoft 365 tenant. Let's start to understand what are the points we need to cover in this particular module 1. Click here and it will show you the basic task that you need to perform, right? So configure your Microsoft 365 experience that required up to 1 hour, right? And in this case, explore your Microsoft cloud environment, configure Microsoft 365 organizational profile, manage your tenant, right? Integrate Microsoft 365 customer engagement application, configure tenant label sharing for SharePoint and OneDrive. These all points are part of module 1, right? And as it is, manage user license, guest user account, manage group in 365, add custom domain. This is also important because whenever we add custom domain to 365 portal, it required multiple records that you need to provide. And configure client connectivity to the Microsoft 365. So these all parts you are going to cover in module first. So it will take up to if we talk about the content, like the number of videos that I need to create to cover the all topics of module 1, I need to create minimum 12 to 15 videos to cover all the points. But after completion of this playlist, you guys are properly able to set up the mailing services for any new organization. You guys will be able, I'm talking about the outcome, right? So you guys will definitely able to take care the existing infrastructure for any organization. So stay tuned with Teach Me Cloud. We always try to give you quality based content because you guys are aware, recently I started another playlist. This is the playlist is totally based on troubleshooting in the sense, because I have been total 17 plus years of experience in IT. I did multiple projects, I did multiple troubleshooting, real-time issues. I resolved n number of issues in real time. So that's why I decided, let me convert my experience in the format of video, right? I have already created a playlist for the most common IT issues and real-time solutions. So you just need to find the playlist, click on a playlist and open the playlist of IT solution. I have already uploaded 2 videos in this playlist. As it is Microsoft 365 2026, this playlist will make you expert as a Microsoft 365 mailing engineer. I'm going to start in my own way. We'll follow the content that provided by Microsoft, but what about the basics, right? No one can write the no one can add the basic information related to the mailing services. But I'm going to give you the everything related to the mailing services. Then we'll move to move ourselves as per the content that provided by Microsoft. Please do support your on Teach Me Cloud YouTube channel. We always try to give our level best, and in this playlist you will feel like you are able to perform all the practical new implementation, existing infrastructure handling, all the tasks you are able to manage after completion of this playlist. Please do subscribe, share, and give your valuable suggestion. And according to your suggestion, definitely will modify the content, definitely will modify the playlist, and whatever playlist that you want on our Teach Me Cloud YouTube channel. Please let me know. I'll help you. Thank you guys. Take care. We'll connect in first class of Microsoft 365 MS-102. So stay tuned. Do subscribe here on Teach Me Cloud. Bye bye guys.